So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Tower Centera in Mandaluyong City. Along EDSA lang to and malapit siya sa Shaw Boulevard. So, meron tayong foreclosed condo unit na i-check. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is approximately 36 square meters. 1 bedroom. Laki ng bathroom niya. And then ito yung bedroom area. So mukhang hindi siya natirhan. And then ang view niya is EDSA. And then Mandaluyong city view. So this is around 6.3 million and it comes with a parking space. This is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. This is for bidding. And good as brand new yung unit. Hindi siya nagamit. Ayan. Maayos pa, pati yung flooring niya. Walang angat. Then maganda rin yung view niya. Ayan. City view. So again, if you are interested to schedule a property showing and make an offer, please message us directly. Yung gym nila. So this is the amenity area. Meron tayong landscape garden and then tawag dito is outdoor gym. And then swimming pool area niya. Adult, kiddie pool, lap pool. Ayan. Generous din siya sa swimming pool.